ASUS ScreenPad Plus gives you alternative ways to improve your efficiency when working on your projects and workflows. Task Group is a powerful function that opens up to 5 apps at the same time with just a tap. Simply open the ScreenPad Plus launcher, then tap the Task Group icon to choose your customized groups. To personalize your own task group, open all the apps you want to put into a group. You can make use of the built-in organizer function to easily drag the apps onto 3 blocks on ScreenPad Plus. Go to Settings in Task Group, then select the number of the hotkey you want to assign. Tap on Capture to detect the active apps on the main screen and ScreenPad Plus. The next time you tap on the Task Group hotkey, all the programmed apps will open at the same time. It's a great way to save time when you want to get down to work quicker. Explore all the different ways of interacting with ScreenPad Plus to input text, numbers, or shortcuts in a more efficient way.